So what do you think about the change that is coming in the recent years with the introduction of 3D strategies and organoids in the cell therapy field?
Yeah, I think the 2D, an iPS and ES is very fragile. We have to be very care. Therefore, I think the 2D is okay. And also the organoid type, the C-stem, the 3D organoid that we use also developed is very nice. But don't do spheroid. Don't follow the 3D culture. Don't do the bioreactor. Because they are going to subject to the differentiation from our surface. Because uneven distribution of the nutrient and also uneven of the kind of stress, that's a kind of trigger of the trigger of the differentiation. If you're seeding in the 2D, every passage, if you have some optimized condition, you can eliminate differentiate cell during the passage, because they're changing the morphology of the profile of the adhesion molecule so that you can eliminate. But 3D, you can't do that. Just expand. Even though it's differential, just expand. It's quite dangerous. But I think your case and C-scan is kind of the organoids and more physiological and more like a single layer type. That is kind of the option we can do it. Therefore, we have more promising future in this culture system. And cool. It's like designable.
Yeah.
I like it.